Windows 10 Best New Feature 3 is Task View. Task View is a virtual desktop technology. Now, quite honestly, those of you who are familiar with OS 10, to be perfectly honest, at work I use Windows, and at home my family's a completely Apple shop. We have iMacs, iPads, iPhones, iPod Touches, Apple TVs, the whole thing. And it's amazing to me to see how many of those OS 10 features are being rapidly migrated or adapted, co-opted, however you want to say it, to Windows 10. The virtual desktop idea has been in Linux and OS 10 for many years, although it was an add-on for Windows. You remember the Windows 95 and Windows 98 Power Toys? There was a virtual desktop switcher there. Anyway, the idea with virtual desktops is that you can run applications full screen and not have to worry about minimizing and shifting windows around. For instance, I have weather full screen here. And if I come down to the taskbar and click the task view icon, it gives you an expose type feel. Expose is what OS 10 calls it in the Mac world. And it gives you previews of the application windows that you currently have open. And we have an option to add a desktop. Isn't that cool? So now it tells us here we've got weather and I have a browser window open. You can actually shuffle. You can create as many of these desktops as you want. I don't think there's necessarily a hard limit. To switch among them, you just, again, click Task View again, and you can redirect applications to specific desktops. So for instance, I can right-click this PC World thumbnail, select Move to Desktop 2, and now, again, is this working? Yeah, it appears to be working. I've got the browser running full screen on Desktop 2, and you'll notice on my taskbar Weather, which is in Desktop 1, it has a little faint horizontal line underneath it to let us know that that's actually located on a separate desktop. Now your desktops look identical, your start menu remains the same. It's not like you're extending multiple desktops. These are what are called virtual desktop environments. So again, once again, the idea is you can go from full screen experience to full screen experience, and then if you need to collapse or get rid of these, you can just close them, and now it looks like I'm back to a single desktop. I can select which application I want, and I'm back in business. So that's what Task View is, virtual desktops on demand.